Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. Have you ever asked yourself why you do not have sprints filter onto the Agile board itself? Alright, so when you go to sprints into the project settings, there are sprints available. However, when you go to the Agile board and select the filters, there is no sprint here. Okay, so actually this is not a bug and not a problem, it is just a feature. So you have to change the board type itself. So by now we are onto a Kanban board, and when you turn to Scrum board, then ta-da, there is a built-in feature for sprints filter on the top of the Agile board for Scrum. So here onto the drop-down menu, you have to select the needed sprint. Also, if you like, you could click on the plus button here and create a new sprint directly through the Agile board. Okay, so yeah, now all the tickets and the Agile cards on the board are with sprint 2. Also, if you wish, you could enable the sprint description and it will appear here onto the top right corner, and it says the interval that is currently between September 19th and September 26th, and it says remaining 7 days. Okay, so this was the Agile sprints appearing on the top of the Agile board and filtering here. This is the feature itself. So again, to say, you have to just change the board type to Scrum and everything will be fine with the filters with the sprints. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Bye bye for now.